What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to enable your backlight keyboard on any laptop. Now first thing you should do is to simply go and look at your keyboard of your laptop, and here as you can see you will find this icon right here. This icon which looks like a bulb or something that is flashing some light or anything like that. Then what you should do is to simply click on this button right here which has this icon. So I'm gonna click on it, and here as you can see I have turned on the backlight. Now let's turn it off again. So I'm gonna click on it as you can see, and now I have turned it off. Now if it's not working, you can simply click on this button right here, Fn plus the F5, or you can simply use another button. It doesn't have to be necessary the F5. Some laptops has it on F3 or F11, so you have to check if you have the icon like this one right here. It is an icon of a keyboard and something is coming out from it. A light is coming out from it. And you can also do some adjustments to the backlight. You can simply use the Fn button, for example, plus the arrows right here, arrow down in order to decrease the intensity of the light, and arrow up to increase the intensity of the light. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.